Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to download Clash of Clans on PC. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, go to your web browser and type download Clash of Clans on PC on the search bar and hit enter. Now you will see this page and click on the first link of softonic.com. It will then direct to you this page. Here, as you can see, there is a button to download the game. So click on it and it will download and you are ready to go. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.